avec Sulema et Shama. Hello friends! Today we're going to learn the English alphabet, from A to Z, with fun pictures and sounds. Let's go! A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for house. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for juice. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for panda. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rainbow. S. S is for sun. T. T is for train. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for whale. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yacht. Z. Z is for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Merci les amis. N'oubliez pas de liker et de vous abonner. À bientôt.